Hi, Kate here from the Back Centre. We often get asked about chair repairs, so I'm just going to show you a few of the components that we can replace on your chair. If your fabric is looking a little shabby, we can get this reupholstered. We can also replace the foam on some of our chairs. There are also some mechanisms underneath the chair which we can also replace. The base can be taken off and replaced, as can all of our casters, and when the seat is not staying in position, we can also replace the gas lift, and in some cases, if we have a problem with the mechanism, that can also be replaced on some of our chairs.